everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to share a really short video on how I organize my kids' school supplies and how you can make one just like this for the summer to keep them occupied. Alright guys, so this is a little corner in my office, and here they just keep their pencils, and I also have some chalk in this little container. As you can see, we have different containers that we have used throughout the year, and all of this is what was left from their backpacks this school year, just broken crayons and used up markers, but I wanted to keep everything in one place now for the summer. I'm also throwing these away and just organizing everything with new containers. We have more arts and crafts over here, and this container is where they kept their crayons and assorted them by color, glue, more color pencils, but yeah. This is a beautiful rolling cart that I just got from Michael's. They also sell them at IKEA, and that's how they became really popular. But Michael's right now has a 50% off sale on these carts, and they have several colors. So I gathered every single marker that they had. You can see all of them are different brands, but I just accumulated all of them and put them all together. I was just organizing by color. And then I grabbed these two caddies. I thought they're so cute. These ones are from Target, and I believe they're $3 each. Right now they have them in the dollar section in Target. And here's Frankie. He wanted to say hi. But yeah, like I thought $3 was reasonable, and I could just fit a bunch of markers. I have highlighters, and then in the back I have reds and browns and some oranges. In the next tier, I have the crayons and color pencils. I already had these glass containers. I used them at my 30th birthday party. It was a Moroccan party, so very colorful. And I thought that I could repurpose them and just fill them up with the different crayons that they had. I got rid of the broken ones and just put the ones that are usable. And over here, there's just some paint. Finger paint. I just threw all the watercolors away. Over here you can put the name of the whatever you're adding into this little Lazy Susan type of thing. I got that at Marshall's and I absolutely love it. And then on the top shelf, I got this mail organizer also at Marshall's. I loved the color because it matched everything, and I just added some stickers and I labeled them. I have glue on the first divider, and then I have the glue that they used to make slime at the very back. I also have some scissors and a bunch of brushes. And over here there's some stamp thingies. I don't know what they're called, but I just need to buy some stamp pads. And this one is mostly for planners, but my girls like to use them. They're also like stamps. In the very back, I have just some white paper, but you can add whatever you want, coloring books, and then I have some construction paper that is colorful. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I mean, I didn't know what else to add. I just wanted everything to be super bright, colorful. The caddy or cart, I'm not really sure of the name. I'll write it down over here, but it has wheels, so they can wheel it over to the dining table or to their bedrooms, to my office. So I thought it was pretty neat. And like I said, there's different colors. Right now, I think it's $30 with the 50% off at Michael's.
Lunch.